camera so you don't want to focus on me. Hi guys, I'm KimmyBoutiki. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a simple makeup look for you guys. It's 2 eyeshadow colors and lots of glow, honey. That's it. The focus for simple everyday makeup for me is skin. That's where I put all my energy because I have vitiligo, hyperpigmentation, I have discoloration, your girl got freckles, I got a lot going on my skin. And for me, my skin is dry. Everything has to be illuminating. Starts with skincare. So illuminating masks, illuminating serums, illuminating moisturizer. Hey, listen. And illuminating setting sprays. Like, come on. Dry skin where? Who? We don't know her. She don't live here. Not no more. Not today. Not with this skincare routine. Just because you want your look to be simple, don't mean it gotta be raggedy. You know, it still needs to look real good. You need to look nice and fresh and ready for the day. Stay tuned if you want to see how to do a simple makeup look. So my first step with a simple makeup look is to glow. You gotta moisturize, honey. You know, if you have oily skin, I would definitely, like, you know, maybe you don't want to put too much glowing products underneath your foundation, but that's what your girl did. So we ain't done with the glow. This is an illuminating product, and it does have a little bit of pigment in it. You could definitely skip this step. If you glowing like this already, honey, you don't need no extra glow. But you know, I like to be a little bit extra with the glow. We're gonna go with a Hollywood Flawless filter by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the number 4. Put it everywhere you want even more glow. Okay. To blend that in. What you talking about? Any makeup that I've ever done on my channel is easy peasy. Ain't nobody got time to be doing all those crazy eye looks. It looks beautiful. I don't have the technique to do it, so I stay in my lane, honey. You know, the basic, simple, everyday lane. So I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way foundation, and this is in the color Praline. And let's do one side first. The Beauty Blender, I find, gives the most natural finish to the skin, in my opinion. So foundation, it just evens out your skin, and as you can see, it just makes my skin more even. Duh. But that glow, it's still there, honey. Now you can go as medium or as full coverage as you would like. I don't do a lot of coverage every day. If I'm wearing a lot of coverage, it's because I like to have fun filming, and it just looks a little bit more flawless on camera when you go a little bit more full coverage. You have that glow, honey. Did that ever happen to you? Residue of the edge control and then just start bowling up. It only does it in my hairline. I guess that's just a little mixing in with little edge control there, you know, which ain't even there no more because hello, my edge is not even there. And I say it looks good if I say so myself. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just gonna put it right here. This is in the color Warm Sand. I'll put a little dot there. I'm just gonna blend this out first. You see, it just covers that darkness up beautifully, really nicely. My skin is still glowing. Yes, it is. Then we're gonna go in with the color Cookie. It's not a huge difference, but it's a difference. And I don't drag it down because it's not really, it's highlighting, but it's not a dramatic highlight under the eye. Because I noticed the lighter you go under the eye, the more contrast you create in the face, and I feel like the more you're going to be trying to balance it out. So you do something a little bit closer to your skin tone under your eye to conceal. That is just what I do. You know, do you? Cream contour in powder. It's kind of similar, but the cream gives a more natural finish. Like, it's going to allow me to keep my shine and moisture in my skin. I'm going to go in with this Truly Topaz color. You see the girls on Instagram. I'm one of them sometimes. We draw the lines on our face. I'm telling you right now, that is harder to blend out. So what you do is just take a little bit on your brush like this. So then I do that there, and then I can, and this color is not that much darker than my face, and it's super warm. So it's really like, you know, just a natural bronze, a shade or and a half darker than my own skin. But it's natural. More tapping than rubbing because we don't want to remove any coverage from our face. That's so pretty. Like, it's there, but is it? This color I have is more neutral. If you want, you can take a teeny go up in here just up there to get a little bit more contour. And you'll see I didn't highlight the whole face, but I will. I didn't put the product there, but I will. Let me show you what I do. It blends out down, so you don't have to drag it all the way down, because you could just blend it down, you know what I mean? And you still shape your face, but you don't have to use a ton of product to do it. I didn't draw it down, but you pinch the sponge and you can still highlight where you want to highlight. You just use the excess. Becca Hydra Mist Powder. I definitely want to give this a try. I did receive this in the box, and I have this little finger sponge. It's called Makeup Bullet. Tap off the excess, and it's convenient because what I do is blend it out. Listen, we all got lines under our eyes. Some just deeper than others. Mine is on the verge of getting deeper than others. Ooh, and it's kind of cooling, this powder. And this is the only place I will powder. That felt weird. It felt really wet. Wow. Oh my god, it feels like water. Like you should not be using this on your face. I just thought like this would be the perfect time to try it because I want to stay moist. I want to stay dewy. As you can see, it did mattify, but everywhere else that I didn't put the powder, still glowing. We already bronzed. I'm not going to use a powder bronzer, but you could. Definitely, I would say use more powder products if you are going to get oily throughout the day. I am not, so it is not a thing for me. This is the NARS Orgasm Blush. It has been around forever. It is a cult favorite, but I'm using it because it has glow particles in it. It has gold reflex in it, so it's going to blush me and it's going to highlight me. I always get it compliments on my cheeks. People love the roundness of my face. So look at that. So pretty. I like a lot of blush, so I'm gonna keep on going. I'm actually going to take it up into my temples a little bit. That look of that blush just continuing to be super pretty, gradually fade away up into my hairline. We still need to glow. I'm still going to highlight like that. Artist Couture highlight, and my Sigma highlighting brush. This is the F35. Is my favorite highlighting brush. So I'm trying to get it in the bristles. Okay, I don't want it just on top. I want it all up in that brush. You see, like the difference? Like it's like definitely mixed into the brush, and then we just going up. Yes, honey. Ooh. And I bring it up into my brow and just like encapsulate that eye socket. What? Ooh, I am shining like a diamond up in here, girl. It's so up. Ooh, we gotta shine bright like a diamond. This, I mean, how many times I gotta repeat myself? BoxyCharm be coming through with the bomb products for $21. All right, brows. A lot of people say that their brows take forever. It doesn't have to take forever. I tend to do my brows as fast as humanly possible because your girl ain't got time. But I wanted to try something new. This is the brow pomade from Milani with the Brow Gal brow brush. I don't normally clean up with concealer because ain't nobody got time for that. We are going to be as precise as possible. Okay, it's like hardly anything coming off. It's like wasting my time. I've had this brow gel for so long, but you know what? It works. Any other brow gel I've tried, it does not hold my brows. My brow hair just go right back down. I like them to stand up at the beginning. I am still loving my Jacquiana palette and I want to use it. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Morph JH30. I love the bigness of this brush. I have more space here than I have on my lid. So I'm going to go in with ginger, nice neutral brown. And we're just going to pop this in the crease. Bring it out where the brow is. That's just what I like to do. Put a little bit here too on the actual lid. I want to take a little bit of credit. Create my own mother effing wing. And I think a powdered wing is definitely more natural than a liquid wing or a gel wing. I'm not wearing false lashes, so we're going to curl these lashes as much as you possibly can. Me! Do you see that? And I did not put any powder under my eyes because this is natural everyday makeup. No, we can't be doing too much. I feel like I'm doing enough on the top lid. That. So for lips, simple. And I took the lip liner out. It's white, but so is my table. So I found it because I knew if I started putting stuff away, clearing off my desk, I would find it. This is my ColourPop BF33. BFF3. I'm just gonna remove some of my lip balm. It gives my lips a lot of definition. Like I'm nice and big too. See? I'm gonna go in with this Stila liquid lipstick, color Angelo. It smells edible. It smells so good. It feels so good on the lips. Makeup Shayla taught me. And then I'm gonna go back and define. This is really cute. I don't love an all matte eye, but with all this glow on the face, it makes sense, right? It looks so good. I don't like my lips looking as dry because, you know, it get crusty all on its own, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna add some ultra glossy lips right here. And this wand, I hate it, but I love the color. I wish more came off on the wand in the first go, so I didn't have to go back in. Let me just spread it around just a little bit. There's only a teeny tiny bit left. And this is the final look, guys. I'm so glad you watched the whole video. I super appreciate it. You must have enjoyed it, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to see more of my uploads when they come out. You want to be first. That's what the bell is for. Beauty blender rolled away from me. Hey guys, so so we are ooh, excuse me, I don't know what the hell that was. Yeah, my hair is on my face. Yes. Okay, so I can't believe you are still here. So go ahead and watch you another video. They're gonna get better with time, so just go ahead and watch the glow up, honey. All right. Anyway, I will see you guys hopefully in the next video. You didn't click it yet?